Hi students, good morning to all. Okay, do you remember me? Do you know who am I? Okay, I am Rani Miss. Do you like my class? Do you like my class? Miss's class ishtano? Okay. What did you have for your breakfast today? What did you have for your breakfast? Have idli. Some had chapati, some had dosha, and so on. Isn't it? Some told to your mother that, Amma, I don't want breakfast today. Isn't it? Did you tell your mother like that? No, you have to eat all the food whatever your mom gave to you. Okay? Then only you will have good memory power, good health. I told you in the previous class. Don't you remember that? ഓർമ്മയുണ്ടോ മിസ് പറഞ്ഞത്? നല്ലോണം ഭക്ഷണം കഴിച്ചാലേ നല്ല ബുദ്ധി ഉണ്ടാവുള്ളൂ, നല്ല ശക്തി ഉണ്ടാവുള്ളൂ. Okay? So you must have all the food that your mom gives to you. Okay? Do you remember the song which I taught you in the last class? Which song I taught you in the last class? Which song? Which song? Say loudly. A sailor went to sea. Some of you know that song because you studied that song in LKG, isn't it? Okay, we'll sing that song together. Okay, come on. A sailor went to sea, to see what he could see, and all that he could see was the bottom of the deep blue sea. A sailor went to sea, to see what he could see, and all that he could see was the bottom of the deep blue sea. Okay, now we will come back to our class. Today we are going to study you have already studied capital letters and small letters, isn't it? You have already studied capital letters and small letters. Here I have written some capital letters and some small letters. You have to match the capital letters with the small letters. Okay? You have to match the capital letters with the small letters. You have already studied this in LKG class, isn't it? So you have to listen in the class carefully. You have to listen in the class carefully. Which letter is this? Which letter is this? B. You have to match the capital B with the small b. Okay. Which letter is this? Which letter is this? M. Which letter is this? M. Where is small m? Can you find small m? Is this small m? Is this small m? Which is small m? This is small m, isn't it? This is small m. So you have to join the letter with the small m. Okay. Then, which letter is this? O. Which letter is this? O. Where is small o? I can't find out. You find out and tell me. Where is small o? This? This? This is small o, isn't it? This is small o. So you have to join the letter with small o. Which letter is this? Which letter is this? D. Which letter is this? D. Where is small d? Where is small d? Is this small d? Is this small d? Very small d. Find out. This is small d. This is small d, isn't it? So you have to join the capital D with the small d. Okay. Then the next letter, which letter? F. This is the letter F. Then where is the small f? Where is the small f? Is this the small f? No. Is this the small f? No. Then which is this? Yes or no? No. This is the letter small f, isn't it? Match the capital F with the small f. Which letter is this? Capital Y. Very small y. This is small y. Isn't it? No. Okay, then which is small y? This is small y. Am I right? Shirille. This is small y. So you match the letter capital Y with small y. Okay. Which is this letter? Capital R. Capital R. What is my name? Rani. So my name, which is the first letter of my name? R. Ra. R. Isn't it? This is capital R. Where is small r? Can you find out? This is small r. Is this small r? No. This is small r. This is small r. Children, you have to listen carefully in the class. Okay. This is small r. Which letter is this? Capital G. Which letter is this? G. Where is small g? This is small g. No. Which is small g? This is small g. Okay. Then which letter is this? I. Which letter is this? I. Where is small I? Where is small I? This is small I. So you have to match the letter with the small I. This is capital L. This is L. Which is small L? This is small L. Isn't it? This is small L. Then all of you look at this page, page number 12. Page number 12. When you get the book, you have to do it by yourself. You have to do it by yourself. Okay. Choose the correct hooks to catch the fish with small letters. Here we are going to catch the fish. The letter is hiding in the fish. So you have to catch the fish with this hooks. Shall we? Are you ready? Okay. Look at this letter. Which letter is this? D. Okay, we want to catch small d. Where is small d? Here. So you have to catch capital D with small d. Then, which is the next letter? T. T. We will go for a fishing. Shall we? T. Where is T? Here. So you have to catch the small t. Small t. Fish. Then this is capital E. This is capital E. Where is small e? Here is this small e. So you have to catch this fish. Small e. Capital E hook with this E. Then F. Which letter is this? F. Very small F. Here. You have to catch this fish. Small F. Then which letter is this? L. Which letter is this? L. You have to catch the letter small L. With this hook, you have to catch this letter. This is capital R. This is capital R. Very small R. Very small R. Find out. Is this small R? No. Is this small R? Yes or no? No. This is small R. Isn't it? This is small R. So you have to catch this fish. Capital R with small r. Then which letter is this? Q. Which letter is this? Q. Very small Q. Find out. Is this small Q? Is this small Q? Look properly. Is this small Q? Yes, this is small Q. So you have to catch this fish. Which letter is this? N. Which letter is this? N. You have to catch small n. Very small n. This is small n. You have to catch this fish. Then which letter is this? O. Which letter is this? O. Very small O. It is already done. It is already done here. You don't want to do it again. Then this is P. Which is small p? Here it is small p. When you get the books, you have to do it as homework. Okay. Hi students. Bye.